Well, I'm now ready for another test trial. Knee to saddle fit. Then I run the saddle inwards, about there I'd say, and mount the saddle. Gently on here. And align it so that it enters on the pegs. There. And I can now also just whack it a little bit with a lead hammer. So now it's resting firmly. Good fit. Good fit. Not so good. Not so good. Now what we are looking at here is the underside of the saddle where the boss for the cross-slide screw fits. Because of the scraping done to these surfaces, they are now resting a little bit lower. Hence I need to scrape this down. I've already checked that this fit for the gear here is sufficient. I mean there will be no binding here, but this surface being a little bit high hinders this to rest sufficiently flat on the knee. So this will have to go down a little bit. I had a problem when assembling the table, that I found that when I did the noise test like this, it was firm here and not there. So I did a test, and sure enough I could insert a feeler gauge there. And the problem was, of course, I had forgotten that when assembling the two parts of the boss that hold the nut for the lead screw here, it welded together a little bit higher, so that it obstructed or it rode on that. So after assembling these two parts, it actually rode on the screw. So now I have scraped flat until I get a little bit below, so it rides on this, of course, as it should. I will tighten the screws, insert the gib. Okay, insert the gib. Snug it up. Still has a way to go. Still has a little bit of movement. I mean, it can be adjusted a little bit inwards. And then the 4 screws. So drop this down. Try to tighten the opposite corners.